Arizona invented the universal ESA, and it's still the biggest vendor market in school choice, around 92,000 students and nearly 15,000 registered vendors already competing for them. The registration itself isn't hard. Staying compliant enough to actually get paid is where providers stumble. Here's both halves. Set up your business first, then register through the Arizona Department of Education Service Provider Registration. Once approved, onboard with ClassWallet, that's the platform that actually moves the money. Tutoring businesses have one extra step: the facility accreditation attestation form, certifying every instructor holds at least a high school diploma or GED. Non-accredited microschools register as service providers and bill under tutoring, curriculum, or supplemental instruction. Switch to the compliance half. Arizona's invoice rules are exact: a unique invoice number, itemized services with the date each one was delivered, total charges. And for therapists and qualified examiners, your license number on the invoice itself. 3 more traps. Reimbursements need both the invoice and a proof of payment receipt. Credentials cannot be expired when payment is requested, and documentation uploads to ClassWallet run on a quarterly cadence, miss the window, and payment stall. Register once, then treat compliance as the ongoing job. The free generator at GetESAPaid.com builds Arizona's exact field set into every invoice, and the toolkit tracks credentials and quarterly deadlines so nothing lapses. Links below.